Dr. Sanjeev Guru Gopinath, sir, and also my respect to journal paper writing guru. Dr. Sanjeev Guru Gopinath stands as a highly distinguished technical leader, boasting over 18 years of hands-on expertise in both research and design with signal processing and communication system. He pursued his academic journey from accomplishing PhD in electrical communication engineering from the esteemed Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. As both an accomplished researcher and hands-on engineering, Dr. Guru Gopinath has left a permanent mark on his field, evident through numerous publications in reputable journals, conference presentations, patents, and invited talks. His outstanding contributions have been recognized with Best Paper Awards at various IEEE conferences, underscoring the caliber of his work. Beyond academia, Dr. Guru Gopinath actively engages in collaborative research efforts with both national and international academia and industry teams. His diverse skill set is complemented by a robust teaching and managerial track record. Dr. Guru Gopinath's research interests span a broad spectrum covering millimeter wave radar system, multimodal signal processing, next generation communication system, underwater acoustics, special signal speech to signal processing, and application of machine learning in signal processing. His professional affiliations include membership in esteemed organizations such as IEEE, ISCA, and EURASIC, along with the life membership of ACCS. Additionally, he serves as an executive committee member of the IEEE Communications Society, Bangalore chapter, highlighting his dedication to fostering collaboration and knowledge and exchange with professional community. I invite Dr. Sanjeev Guru Gopinath to address the gathering.
Good morning. Thank you so much for the kind introduction. Dr. Ganeshan said that he is not a member of, he's not active on Facebook and he's an old timer. I am not that old timer, but probably an old timer with respect to students and some of the faculty members here. Even I am not active on Facebook. I second everything that Dr. Ganeshan said about keeping yourself updated and adaptive. So that's very important. So I would like to talk a little bit about the particular FDP. Okay, so you have all gone through the brochure of FDP. So very quickly, I would like to give the title of the different talks that have been arranged in the coming few days. Starting from, you have narrowband IoT for 5G networks, rate splitting multiple access, beamforming and spatial multiplexing for 5G MIMO communications, initial beam acquisition in 5G, energy and spectrally efficient signaling techniques for 6G, joint radar communications and 6G, fundamentals of cell-free architecture for 6G networks, introduction to 6G, unleashing the potential beyond 5G. I think that probably a mistake here, but a multi-carrier primer with associated support algorithms to 4G, 5G and 6G, O-RAN and Cloud RAN, 5G use cases and advanced 5G, 5G and wireless design with MATLAB and Simulink, and finally the most important of all, probably stress management. Okay, you have so many variety of topics which are going to be covered here. Okay, so this is just to tell you that today morning itself, you know, my friends from Nokia were telling me that there is still so much left in 5G to be covered, right? So there is a lot of things to be done in 5G, beyond 5G, and then technologies for 6G. So please feel free to, you know, one thing that I want to highlight here is given the so much variety of topics, you'll have something or the other to take back home for your own research. Okay, I want all of you to make one promise to me. The promise is, make sure that you ask at least one question per session. Okay, there is nothing like a stupid question. There is nothing like very trivial question. The more and more questions we ask, the more and more closer we are to the topic. Okay, so try to ask at least one question. In that way, you will also encourage the same thing to our students as well. It's a good kind of skill to have, to ask the right set of questions. And then believe me, this is what we did in IISc. I'm sure Ganeshan also agrees with me. The more and more questions you ask, you will naturally see that you will also develop a skill where you will start to ask the right set of questions. Okay, you will understand what right set of questions means as when you develop that particular skill. Okay, so with this, I wish all the success to this particular FTP. Once again, I thank the entire management of NIE. It's always a good pleasure to come back here. The organizers and the coordinators of this FTP. Thank you very much.